Hello everyone, I am Hemasri from Hyderabad and I am part of the core team member of LEGALEAGLE Law Forum. And today's topic is about what is Indian contract. So let's start the video. So the law of contract constitutes the most important branch of mercantile or commercial law. It affects everybody, more trade, commerce and industry. It may be said that the contract is the foundation of the civilized world. The law relating to the contract is governed by the Indian Contract Act 1872. The preamble of the Act says that it is an act to define and amend a certain parts of the law relating to the contract. It extends to the whole of the country except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. So, the Act mostly deals with the general principles and rules governing the contracts. The Act is divisible into two parts. The first part, Section 1 to 75, deals with the general principles of the law of contract and therefore applies to all the contracts irrespective of their nature. The second part, Section 124 to 238, deals with certain special kinds of contracts, example, indemnity and guarantee, bailment, pledge and agency, etc. So let us know about what is the mean by contract. The term contract has been defined by various authors in various ways. So, a contract is an agreement creating and defining obligations between the parties. A contract is also known as an agreement enforceable at law between the two persons whom rights are required by one or more acts or forbearances on the part of the other or others. So, the Indian Contract Act has defined contract in Section 2H as an agreement enforceable by law. So, these definitions resolve themselves into distinct parts. First, there must be an agreement. Secondly, such an agreement must be enforceable by law. To be enforceable, an agreement must be coupled with an obligation. A contract, therefore, is an obligation of the two elements, that is, an agreement and an obligation. Well, all contracts are agreements, all agreements are not contracts. So, an agreement which is legally enforceable alone is a contract. Agreements which are not legally enforceable are not contracts. So, but remain as void agreements which are not enforceable by law by any of the parties of the agreement. So, the next video is going to be about difference between contract and agreement. So, stay tuned. Also, there are some awesome webinars on relatable laws, etc. So please attend and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and YouTube. Thank you for watching the video and please be safe at your end. Always wear a mask whenever you go outside and please get vaccinated as soon as possible.